Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Today we are going to discuss that density of liquid and why the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. So most of the students are confusing that and they have doubt that why the water has a maximum density or minimum volume at a 4 degrees Celsius. This is because of as a special behavior of water at a 4 degrees Celsius. That is, water naturally expands by heating, but from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, it will contract, it won't expand. This is a special behavior. This special behavior is called as a anomalous anomalous expanse of water. The special behavior of water from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius is called anomalous expansion of water. We will discuss this chapter today. That is why density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Before going to this one, we have to discuss what is minimum density first. But you might, some of you don't know what is minimum density. Density means a mass by volume. That is, for a given volume, what is the total mass of any matter? In this case, we are taking as a water. So, what is the water mass for a given value? So, SI unit is kg per meter cube and CTS unit is gram per centimeter cubed. So, for any volume, density has there for any matter. For a liquids, as volume is increases, density will reduces for a given constant of mass. That is, the volume will changes due to the temperature. When the temperature increases, naturally a normal condition, the water will expands. When heating, water will expands, so density will decreases for normal condition. The normal condition means above 4 degrees Celsius. What happens when from 0 degrees Celsius to the 4 degrees Celsius? We will discuss now. See here, the unusual property of water. It's not usual property. 4 degrees to above 4 degrees Celsius, it is a usual property as a normal property. But it is a from 0 to 4 degrees, it is a unusual property of water in which instead of contracting, it expands on cooling from 4 degrees Celsius to the 0 degrees Celsius. That is, actually 4 degrees Celsius to the 0 degrees Celsius means we are cooling. The temperature decreases from 4 to 0. The number is decreasing means temperature decreasing. On decreasing temperature, that is we are cooling. By cooling, the matter has to be contract generally, but it is expands here. It is expands and contracts when heated from the 0 to 4 degrees. That is, actually from here in this second case, we are increasing temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to the 4 degrees Celsius. That is, temperature is increases here. Temperature increase means actually the things has to be expand, but it is contracting. This behavior, this phenomena is called anomalous expansion of water. This is the only liquid which has separate property here. Due to this, water has a minimum volume at 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius, volume is minimum. So volume is minimum means we know the formula density, just now we discussed that density is equal to mass by volume. So mass is a constant. So as volume is decreases, the density is increases. So at 4 degrees Celsius, the volume is minimum and the maximum density. So these things we will explain the help of graph. Take a liquid of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Now generally from 4 degrees to, I am taking just example for 10 degrees Celsius. When you heating 4 degrees to 10 degrees, the temperature will increases. Due to the temperature increases, the water will expand generally. So when it expands, the value will increases. From 4 to 10 degrees, it is a normal behavior. Heating expands, by cooling it contracts. No problem from 4 to 10 degrees. The problem here is only we are confusing is 0 to 4 only. Actually 0 to, while going 0 to 4, it has to be expand. it is naturally contracts అవుతుంది. 0 to 4 it has to be expand అవ్వాలి. 0 to 4 but it is contracting. See here, it is a contracting. Okay now, so what is the reason for this behavior? See, what is the reason by behavior is, see, the behavior is it is actually chemical bonding process. It is, we have discussed in chemistry, but this has to know as a physics student also. You might see this in chemistry subject also again. So its reason is water molecules chemical formula is H2O. So water has a number of water molecules. Suppose I will take only three water molecules here. So one hydrogen, one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms are there. Between one hydrogen and oxygen atom there is a covalent bond is there. Oxygen hydrogen bond. This is one water molecule. One molecule has a two hydrogen atoms, one water molecule. Between these oxygen and hydrogen atom we have covalent bond. These are another water molecule. This is another water molecule. Ante that means in one molecule there is a covalent bond. Between two water molecules, we have a hydrogen bond. This hydrogen bond plays an important role for making this anomalous behavior of water. Why? Because see, from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, that is what we are doing. We are increasing the temperature. Where increasing temperature means that is heating we are doing. So when the heat is increases, or heat is giving to the water has a molecule has a hydrogen bond between the two molecules. This hydrogen bond is very sensitive to the heating at low temperatures. So when temperature is giving, so these hydrogen bonds will breaks. These hydrogen bonds will make breaks. So hydrogen bonds breaks means this will collapse, and this molecule, all molecules will closer means like this. Actually, before heating, before increased temperature, the water molecules are separated some distance like this with the help of hydrogen bond. When we are giving heat, these hydrogen bonds will collapse and these water molecules comes very closer. There is contracting happens. So contract means volume reduces and density will increases. This is happening on 0 to 4 degrees. By heating it contracts. See, that is opposite to the general normal behavior of water. When compared to 4 to 4 degrees to Celsius normally contracts. Because we are decreasing the temperature. But we had this decreasing temperature means we are reducing the heating. It's cooling actually. So cooling ki hydrogen bombs form again. For cooling, hydrogen form again. So they will separated. So separated means it will expand. So it will expand means its density will decrease. That is the main reason. That is what we conclude in this class is the main reason for making the maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius is hydrogen bonds between two molecules. Okay, this is the main reason. Thank you for listening to the class. If you see here, hydrogen bond at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, hydrogen bond breaks. Hydrogen bond breaks means molecule comes closer. Come closer means reduces volume, increase density. But here by cooling, there is 4 to 0 means by you are doing cooling. Cooling means hydrogen bombs forms again, molecules separated, volume increases, density decreases. These two conditions, 0 to 4 or 4 to 0, this behavior, different behavior, separate behavior, unique behavior is called anomalous behavior of water. From 4 to or greater than 4 degrees Celsius, the water naturally expands, and whenever the water is expands, the volume will decreases. Okay, and the expansion, volume will increases, density will decreases. Because mass is a constant, density is inverse proportional to the volume. By what one statement I will explain is, by heating 0 to 4 actually expands, but it will contracts. So volume decreases, density maximum. So density maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. What is the maximum value density? See, maximum density is at 4 degrees Celsius, 1 gram per centimeter cube in CGS units, and SSI units 1000 kg meter cubed. Okay, now so that is 0 to 4, it will contracts maximum density, and when 4 to 0, when you coming back, when you cool down again, it again uh, actually it contracts, but it expands and volume decreases. These are things happen in the water only, and this is the anomalous behavior of water. Due to this, so many aquatic animals they will survive in the Arctic circle or Antarctic circle in the cold and countries. They actually the water is below, the water temperature is below 4 degrees Celsius. Only upper part of the water is making ice, below water 4 degree they maintain. That's why the aquatic living things are survival. This is the only reason. The anomalous behavior of water is reason for living for aquatic animals. If there is no that thing, if there is no uh, happening of anomalous activity, that is if water is not expanding, if now water is not expanding from 4 to 0, then all aquatic animals will die in Arctic and Antarctic regions. Thank you for listening to the class. Please do subscribe.